My name is Olivia Savvis and I'm the newly elected member for Newland in the northeastern suburbs of Adelaide. Before I was elected to Parliament, I studied law and politics at university and worked for a number of politicians. I then went into working in financial crime at a major bank and was a local councillor on my council, the City of Tea Tree Gully. I took extended leave to come and campaign and formally resigned from the bank after being elected in March. I haven't necessarily always wanted to be a politician, but I grew up under some relatively difficult circumstances. I know that I always wanted to do something that helped other kids that were growing up like me, and I wasn't 100% sure where that would land me, but wanted to do something that involved social justice and community service in some way. I think all of my goals for my first term as a member are local goals. I've grown up in the northeastern suburbs. I worked at Tea Tree Plaza. I was on the local council in Tea Tree Gully, and all of the goals that I have are really commitments for my community, things that I want to achieve for us. So whether that be the transition project we're doing onto SA Water mains, whether it be stopping paid parking at Tea Tree Plaza, or local community grants and sporting commitments that we've made, all of my commitments are commitments in and around the community that I live in and I love.